This is how to swap JMPT token to BNB on MetaMask. You can see my JMPT token. I'll be swapping to BNB, that is Binance native token. You can see my MetaMask wallet. I currently have over $4. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will learn how to convert your JumpTask earnings to any bank in your country. The network you are using will determine the gas fee that will be taken and charged in the process of you doing swapping. So you need to swap JMPT token to the main native token for you to be able to do the transfer so that you can cash out directly to your bank account on ATM. To do the swap, you click this JMPT token. You can see this is your JMPT token, the amount that was transferred from JumpTask. To swap this to Binance BNB crypto, you click swap. To swap, you need to select the amount of JMPT you want to swap. In this case, I want to swap everything. But first, you select the destination crypto, which is BNB. This one. Don't forget, I have $4 there before. You click it. You select the amount you want to swap, all of them. It's fetching the quote. That is looking for the best fee that will be charged. This is the current rate, and the estimated gas fee that will be taken, that is 22 cents, which is a good rate for me. If you are okay, you just scroll down and click swap. It's processing to fund the BNB cryptos. Transaction complete. This amount of BNB has been added to my account. You can see now that I now have over $33 worth of BNB cryptos, which is the native token of BNB network. You can now swap your JMPT token to BNB. Please do me one big favor. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing this for me. The next thing you need to learn is for you to know how to transfer your converted JMPT token, which is now in BNB on Binance network. Ensure you watch this video. You will learn how to transfer your token to ATM, and from ATM platform, you can transfer your money to your bank, to PayPal, and to any platform of your choice. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.